Question number 7. In this question, it is given that if f be a function from a set of natural number n into itself, and it satisfies the condition f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs to the set of natural number n, that is the domain, such that the value of the function at the point at x is equal to 1, it is equal to 3, and the summation of n such terms is equal to 120. So we have to find out the value of n. If the sum of n terms of the function is equal to 120, what is the value of n? Okay. So first of all, we consider the condition which satisfies the function here. Here it is given that f satisfies the condition this, f x plus y is equal to fx into fy, where x and y are generally natural number. So it is given, also given that f of 1 is equal to 3. Now since x and y are natural numbers, so we can choose x and y according to our desire. So let x is equal to 1 and y is equal to also 1. X and y are each is equal to 1. Then we have f1 plus 1 is equal to this relation. We take this relation as 1, number 1. So from relation 1 gives f1 plus 1 is equal to f1 into f1. Okay. This implies that f2 is equal to f1 into f1 means 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 3 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. So we got f2 is equal to 3 square here. Okay. That is f2 is equal to 3 square. Here f1 is equal to 3, that is 3 power 1. f2 is equal to 3 power 2. Now again we choose again we choose x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Then equation or relation 1 implies that f1 plus 2 is equal to f1 into f2. From the relation 1 we get this, and then f1 is equal to 3 and f2 is equal to 3 square, that is we got 3 cube. Thus we got f3 is equal to 3 power 3. Okay. So in this pattern, in this manner we can get the next terms also. So clearly we find here that if we have here 1, if x is equal to 1, then we have 3 power 1. If x is equal to 2, then we get 3 power 2. If x is equal to 3, we get 3 power 3. In this way, similarly f4 is equal to 3 power 4, f5 is equal to 3 power 5, dot 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 dot. In this way, fn is equal to 3 power n. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. ठीक. Now, so we got, therefore we got all these terms in a pattern. This pattern is actually a geometric progression pattern, and using this geometric pattern we can find out the sum. Now this summation will give. Now what is the second relation? This second relation is equal to summation over x is equal to 1 up to n fx is equal to 120. This is the second relation. Now what it implies actually, if we expand this summation, we get f1 f2 plus f3 plus dot 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 up to fn, and this is equal to 120. Now what is f1? F1 is equal to 3 power 1, f2 3 power 2, f3 3 power 3 plus dot 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 up to fn, means 3 power n is equal to 120. Okay, and this series, the series is a GP series, geometric progression or geometric series here, because the terms are here 3 square, 3 cube dot 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 3 power n, the first term, and the common difference is equal to 3. Here the first term equal to 3, and here first term, here the first term is equal to 3, and common difference is also is equal to 3. If we divide the second term by first term, we get 3 here clearly. This is equal to 3 square by 3 is equal to 3. So common difference 3, first term also 3. Now we take the sum, and here we have the total number of term is equal to n, total n number of term we have, and in this case the sum of these n terms in a GP series, we can write this as the first term into the common this is not common difference, this is a common ratio, this is common ratio, sorry, this is common ratio. Okay, common ratio is equal to 3. So 3 into r power n minus 1. Generally if we write the sum is equal to first term a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Since here r is equal to common ratio, r is equal to is greater than 1, it is greater than 1. Since the common ratio greater than 1, we can apply the formula for a GP series of n terms is equal to this, and it is equal to 120. Now we put this value of a is equal to 3, r is equal to also 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. So 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 120 into 2 divided by 3, that is we got here 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 80, or 3 power n is equal to 81, and this 81 is equal to 3 power 4. That is 3 power n is equal to 3 power 4. That means that n is equal to 4. Base equal. This implies that n is equal to 4. Okay, n is equal to 4. So we got our answer. So we need to find out the value of n. So we got n is equal to 4 here. This is the answer.